sorting materials into groups. Overview: first, appearance; second, hardness; third, soluble and insoluble; fourth, transparency; fifth, floating and sinking. On the basis of appearance, materials are of two types: lustrous and non-lustrous materials. The materials that shine are called lustrous materials, and the materials that do not shine are called non-lustrous materials. On the basis of hardness, materials are of two types: soft and hard materials. The materials that can be compressed easily are called soft materials, and the materials that cannot be compressed easily are called hard materials. On the basis of solubility, materials are of two types: soluble and insoluble materials. The materials that can be easily dissolved in water are called soluble materials, and the materials that cannot be dissolved in water are called insoluble materials. On the basis of transparency, the materials are of three types: transparent, translucent and opaque. The objects that allow light to pass through them are called transparent objects, while the objects that do not allow any light to pass through them are called opaque objects. The translucent objects allow only little light to pass through them. On the basis of density, the materials are of two types: floating and sinking objects. The objects that have less density like leaves can float on water and are called floating objects, while the objects that have more density like stones sink in water and are called sinking objects. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe.